This is a video tour for 1031 West 19th Street in the Pilsen neighborhood of Chicago. This is a first floor unit and it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. As you approach the building, you can see that there is a door buzzer on the left for each unit, and there's an Amazon key sticker, which means that Amazon can deliver packages inside the building, as well as US mail, since the US mailboxes are also in the lobby. And there they are. This is unit 1, so we're entering this first door on the left. And as you enter the unit, you can see that there are very high ceilings and large windows, which give it lots of light. There's a ceiling fan in the living room and granite countertops with a tile backsplash and all stainless steel appliances. And there's a nice counter for stools or chairs. Right next to the kitchen is an extra storage unit, which is right underneath the interior stairs for the building. So it's a little extra storage there. And the next door is your washer dryer. And the other mechanicals are there. And we can see them both through this door as well. That's your furnace and your hot water heater. And it is central heat and central air. Next is the bathroom, and it's a fairly large bathroom with 2 sinks, as well as a nice shower tub and toilet and a large mirror. You have some nice windows, and as you go down the hallway, you can see there's your electrical panel for the unit. And we'll enter the first bedroom, which has a ceiling fan, a large window, and a large closet with mirrored doors. All 3 bedrooms are the exact same size. Going back into the hallway and into the second bedroom, you can see this bedroom has a ceiling fan, window, and a large closet as well. And the third bedroom is identical to the other 2 with a ceiling fan, except this one does have 2 windows and it has a large mirrored closet as well. Going out the rear exit, you can see there is a parking area. And since this unit doesn't really have a deck, this unit does use the patio down below where those blue chairs are. And again, here's the parking area, so there is parking available. And this is the alley. Thank you for taking the video tour of 1031 West 19th, unit number 1.